Good. Go on.
Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to SOM Live. I'm Corky McCorkle alongside the loaded gun, Chad Bartlett. We are School of Morton. Get some. And I want to send a special thank you to all the fans that joined us in Braselton, Georgia last Saturday. What a huge crowd. What a night of matches, especially the Rock and Roll Express, the Hall of Famers, teaming up and getting it on against the Heavy Metal Express. What a night it was, Chad Bartlett.
Yeah, you know, I thought the people here in Tennessee were stupid, but you go down to Georgia, and you're proof of it. I mean, they're a whole nother breed of idiots down there.
No.
Truly.
No, we got
Truly.
some great wrestling fans in Georgia, and we sure appreciate you having us at the Jackson Community Center. Hey, now, Chad Bartlett, we've got the footage. I've seen it. Footage anonymously shot by a fan. Is there anything you want to go ahead and admit? Because it's going to air on the program today.
What I do outside the ring and outside this booth right here, it's nobody's business, okay? It's nobody's business what I'm doing. I don't care what kind of clips or tapes you got. I've been persecuted every step along the way. This is no different than a normal day to me, okay?
Well, the footage that we have is going to shed a lot of light on the controversial finish to your match when you team with the Mirror Boy against the Hall of Famer Jimmy Valiant and Romeo Rodriguez.
A witch hunt is what this is.
Well, that's all coming up. We also
torches, pitchforks.
Today on the program, we've got a rematch between Sir Derek Williams and Porkchop Johnson, a television title match between Draco and JC Adams. And also, we've got Sick Rick Matrix in action against Silas Dooley. Going to be a heck of a program, folks, so stay with us.
Whoa.
And this is not on the schedule here, but...
No, it is not. This is a bonus. This is an extra.
We've got Prince Malik.
Yeah, get over there, Corky. Do your job. My man.
Sultan, what's going on?
First of all, Corky, you shut your mouth. Let a man speak. You know a man. Anyway, like I said, life is all about consequences. And last week, our little buddies, RT3 and JC Adams, decided to interrupt our little celebration of some real champions, which you did not mention at the beginning of the show, Corky. You mentioned these other jabroni tag teams, but you did not mention the freaking tag team champions of SOM. Listen.
Well, I didn't mention.
All I am saying is all you have to do is one thing, guys. Mr. JC, Mr. RT3, a public apology. That's what I want, a public apology. And everything will be good. Everything will be okay. Everything will be fine. And you know what else, Corky?
Well,
that is it! Good night, Corky.
Well,
but like I said, you have to the end of the show to apologize, or that will be it.
Well, a threat from the Devastation Incorporation. The Devastation Inc. apologizing for cheating JC and RT3 out of those titles.
You want the Golden Plunger Award for digging up the past? Bringing up old crap?
Man, come on, you got this. Listen, dude. You've been seeing this therapist.
Listen to what, bro? He's back here eating pizza.
He should be eating clean like I do. I eat organic. You see, I was doing this stuff called hot yoga, Derek. Hot yoga with a hot yoga instructor. You need to open up your third eye, man.
Actually, what you really need to do is just get your mind in the game, buckle down and get your mind in the game back again like you used to.
Listen, man, not to mention that, you got that therapist that Tiger Woods was seeing. I mean, not seeing, but seeing. But you, man, you've been seeing her and she's helping you out.
Look, man, you need to follow my 3 pathways to success.
Exactly.
Intensity, no, that's the wrong. I'll write them down for you.
You got this. Go ahead.
It's a rematch from 2 weeks ago here on SOM Live.
Well, you know, maybe this time Sir Derek Williams will get what he rightfully deserves, which was a timely 3 count. He better keep his teeth to himself this time.
Sir Derek with a standing waist lock.
Oh, wait a minute.
From the Atomic Dog.
Is it legal to use your rear end that way?
It absolutely is.
That is disgusting. This man has 0 class. That's why he is the complete opposite of every member of the EGC. He lacks class.
Trying to get a handful of hair, but Porkchop's got some pretty short hair. I don't know if Sir Derek could get a good handful.
Nope. Oh!
I don't know what kind of yoga classes he's taking where they teach you to pull a guy's hair. Oh!
Look how quick and nimble.
On the rope. It gets rolled up. Referee caught it. Good officiating there.
That was the finish to the. That was the end. The match was over.
Now, Porkchop with that jumping headbutt and drives another headbutt into Sir Derek. That hard skull of the Atomic Dog. And now a series of shoulder thrusts in the corner. Wearing down Sir Derek, and a snapmare takes over Sir Derek of the Extraordinary Gentlemen's Club. Falling headbutt from Porkchop Johnson. And now what's it going to be? We've got Brian Jeffries and Judas arguing with the referee from the
Well, they
outside
should
here.
be. I'm arguing with the referee telepathically right now. I hope he feels my rage. This idiot has cost Sir Derek Williams a match how many times now?
Porkchop getting another shot in there. And whipping Sir Derek into that other corner.
Again.
And this time, Sir Derek out of the way.
This yoga has made him nimble. He's quicker than we've seen him recently, and I believe more fired up as well.
All right now. He's hitting him. Looks like he's hitting him in the throat there. And Derek Williams takes over Porkchop with the hip toss. Now, a chorus of boos from the audience here.
Oh,
and
he's got that thumb ready.
Yeah, that loaded spike thumb. And well, now a cover from Sir Derek.
Oh my
2 count
gosh.
only. Porkchop kicks out, and now. Hey, they're barking like dogs out here in Kentucky, Tennessee, barking for the Atomic Dog. And
They
Derek
need to be
Williams
croaking for him.
Whoa, Derek Williams takes a headbutt to the midsection. And another one. Porkchop
No!
driving that hard skull once again.
Oh my gosh! You gotta be concerned for Sir Derek Williams at this point. How many headbutts was that? And not another one! No!
Porkchop misses the elbow drop.
Ooh. You could hear bone crack on that one, Corky. That was a bad miss.
All right now, Sir Derek takes the cover, 2 count.
Not this time.
Now, Sir Derek really trying to wear down, twisting on the head of the Atomic Dog.
He should have just quit while he was ahead. Now Sir Derek Williams is torturing Pork Chop Johnson. Here he comes, he's firing back up. Oh no!
Oh yeah, he is. Pork Chop Johnson off the ropes.
Oh!
And a knee lift. Takes down Sir Derek.
Is he pointing to the top rope?
Oh, he's calling for the pork chop pound cake. Let's see if he can hit it.
Derek Williams really got to get out of the way of this.
And
Sir
wait,
Whoa!
here comes the Rocky Top
What's going on?
Rocker.
Oh my God!
He put a stop to that
What is
outside
he doing
interference.
here?
And Pork Chop just hit the falling
No!
headbutt off the top rope. The
No!
Pork Chop pound cake wins it. So that's it. Here's your winner, Pork Chop Johnson.
What was Sampson doing out here?
Picks up the winner's purse on SOM Live once again.
He ain't got nothing to do with this.
And Sir Derek Williams headed back to the showers. He can't believe it. They thought they had it
I
all
can't
planned
believe
out.
it.
Ryan Jeffries was just about to interject himself into the matchup.
Oh, I can't watch this.
I got an argument going on here between Sir Derek and Judas.
That's not good, Corky. That worries me, man. Honestly.
All right, folks. Well, we heard earlier from Prince Malik demanding an apology from RT3 and JC Adams. Now
Sounds fair to me.
we want to take you back to a special look at the feud between Devastation Inc. and JC Adams and RT3. Take a look at this, folks.
Disgusting shooter.
Are your winners and the new SOM East Tennessee Tag Team Champions, the Devastation Incorporated.
Spaceman for SOM Live, standing with the former two-time East Tennessee Tag Team Champions, RT3 and JC Adams. Now, Prince Malik came out early and said that he wants you guys to come out later tonight and to give him a formal apology because you guys ruined his celebration last week.
You know, Spaceman, JC and I, we do not owe anybody an apology. We don't owe anybody anything here. Only thing we are owed is a rematch for our East Tennessee Heavyweight Tag Team Championships. JC, tell him about it.
Yo, Spaceman!
Whoa, what camera's over here?
Yo, Spaceman!
What's going on, JC?
Oh, you know, I'm just flying high. Yo, we're taking our titles back. It don't matter. We're flying town to town. We're kicking their butts. And again, we're flying high.
Are you guys gonna go out tonight and honor Prince Malik's request for a formal apology?
Apology?
You got an apology for Prince Malik and his two goons. And I've got something in mind for it, JC. Don't worry about it, I got it.
All right, guys. This is Spaceman for SOM Live, standing with JC Adams and RT3, and we're sending it back out to you, Corky.
The New Jersey Devil himself, the mayor of Myrtlation.
It's an honor to be here.
Awesome. Oh,
And
here
well,
comes Sick Rick.
And how about this guy? Sick Rick Matrix. Now, he came out last week, Maverick, when you were addressing the crowd.
He's sick to want to have a match with Big Corky. I want blood. I want blood. I want to show people how violent I am. This is a chance for me to tap
into a part of myself that the SOM universe has no idea I have. Sick Rick wants a part of me, he'll get it.
You talk about violent. We've seen this Sick Rick involved in a few very violent matches with a few that we've seen him in.
I'll show him.
Oh, man.
You know what? You know what's so terrible, Chad?
What is it?
I'll tell you what.
What is it?
That hillbilly hot dog gave me a sample of Don't Break My Heart.
Yeah.
It's on a shot.
Yeah.
This hot tub.
Yes.
Oh my God.
It's amazing.
He's gonna go quadruple.
It's amazing.
In the first day.
Yeah, it's
It's
platinum. Platinum material.
We got Silas Billy out here now.
Oh, Jesus.
Sick Rick going right to work.
What a guy.
No, I have not heard the country music of Bronson Garrett yet.
Stop him.
You gotta love seeing this redneck idiot get pounded into the
I
mat.
enjoy it. I love it. It's the highlight of my day.
Oh my gosh! And I.
Sick Rick slamming Silas's
it.
head into that top turnbuckle.
He needs to do it harder. Maybe it'll knock some sense into him.
Yeah, I doubt
You
it.
know what I'm saying, Jared? I can't believe these people liked it.
Well, they're idiots. I mean, we're here in Chuckey, Tennessee.
Hometown favorites. And listen to him.
What is
What
wrong
are those?
with this? Shit, Rick.
Sick Rick, those bizarre noises he's making.
I mean, Corky, do your job. What is the backstory to this man?
Well, the backstory is he was trained by another odd guy, Al Snow, who used to talk to mannequin doll heads, and he's wrestled up in the, a lot in the in the Detroit area,
Is Al Snow a Hall of Famer?
Minnesota area, New York area.
He should be. I'm
He
trained
should
by
be.
WWE Hall of Famer. Don't forget that.
Oh my
Don't
God!
forget that.
He's about to rip Silas Dooley's arm off. You know, I'm looking forward to seeing you two clash to see who's king of the monsters, Maverick.
Dude, what? It's not going to be nothing. I'm going to tear him to pieces, Chad.
I feel you.
I see blood. I see tables. I see ladders. I see chairs. I see all in the air.
Well, what I'm seeing right now is Silas Dooley trying to fight back. Here he goes.
He is making a comeback.
He's got heart,
Against
doesn't
Big
he?
Sick Rick.
Oh! That can only get you so far.
Shut him right back down with that huge
Or
clothesline.
stupidity. Heart or
Yeah.
stupidity. Which one is it?
Is he brave or an idiot? Well, I think we're leaning towards the other side of that equation.
Oh, gigantic leg drop coming, crashing down on the
You
back
got to give him credit, though. He's
of
scientific.
Silas Dooley's head.
I mean,
Yeah, you're
you
going
guys
to be
are.
facing him, Maverick, at our next live event.
Oh my
Is
God!
he a two-time SOM heavyweight champion?
You are a two-time
Is he?
SOM
Is he?
heavyweight champion.
You know, I'll go ahead and answer that question because Corky doesn't want to give anybody any credit. No, he's not. But you are, and that should be respected.
Dooley gets his
Corky's
Irish whip
supposed to.
reversed, and
Fake news.
Silas
You know,
Dooley
I'm sick of
hits
this
the
empty chamber.
jawbreaker.
We've been at parties together. You're fully loaded, Chad.
That's a fact.
Sick Rick is staggered, but not off his feet just yet, even after that huge.
What,
huge
Silas has a
jawbreaker from
chance.
Silas.
No!
And
Oh,
there's
boy.
that big pile driver.
Oh my God!
What's he waiting for? He's not making the cover. All right, now there's a hook.
That was it.
Whoa.
And a 3 count, so Sick Rick Matrix picks up the win.
Whoa, Maverick!
Where are you going now?
You don't want to do that. Make the people pay for it. Sit down. Make the people pay for it. Sit down. Sit down. Make them buy tickets.
But I would love to give this extra space. You like this, Corky? Look at
Now,
this.
you're gonna
Right
get
there.
You're gonna get your opportunity inside the squared circle
I can't wait.
at the next live event here at the School of Morton.
You remember the game Operation?
Yes.
I'm gonna tear them to pieces like that. Pick them apart.
Okay.
Well, we got Ricky Dooley out here to check on Silas.
Well, we got Sick Rick
Get in the
checking
ring.
on Silas.
Get in the ring.
All right.
Oh man, this is a bad.
What is wrong with this?
Really is approaching.
This is a bad idea.
Whoa.
This is a bad
I
idea.
think I might kind of like him a little bit. It's a violent.
Sick Rick, he's crazy.
Well, I like violence. What's crazy? What's normal? People might think you're crazy, Corky, for sitting next to me.
Well, bye. Maybe I am crazy for sitting next to you, Maverick.
You know, the only reason that Maverick hasn't ran up in that ring right now is because of money.
No, that's it. Corky's checking
Prestige.
because he's got nothing left.
You know, he knows what he's worth. This man knows.
It's about the money, Chad, in this business.
It
Remember
is.
that.
I do. I know.
Asses and
Backing
seats.
off now. What?
I got you. I'm still not sure whether or not Sick Rick is gonna. Oh, whoa! He's calling out. Move.
That SOM heavyweight championship.
I've got it twice, buddy. Twice. Two time. Yeah.
All right,
You're gonna be calling for your daddy when I'm done with you, buddy.
Oh, they're chanting for the PTSD. Now you got to go through him to get that heavyweight championship.
That's good. I'm glad. Oh, you can flip chairs. That's great. I can flip chairs too. Stairs, chairs. It doesn't matter.
What's he looking for?
What's he want? Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Big violence.
They gotta get him out of there. They gotta. Hey!
I do not want to be in the middle of it.
Come on.
Bring it.
Come on, Corky. Come on.
You think you're sick? I'll freaking sick.
Hey, guys.
I'm Hoot. And I'm Punky. And you're watching SOM Live.
All right, here we go. The CW TV title about to be on the line. Big main event coming up here for you today, ladies and gentlemen. Draco gonna take on JC Adams. And that television title belt on the line. Draco and JC have faced each other many times before. They've had a lot of great battles here at SOM.
I honestly don't want to have to look at either one of them, but hey, I'm getting a paycheck to be here, so whatever. I hope they beat each other to death.
Well, speaking of somebody getting a big paycheck, after this match, Chad Bartlett, we're gonna play that anonymous fan video, Chad Bartlett.
There ain't nobody
today.
scared of your blackmail. I'm not afraid of it. I don't have anything to answer for you people.
Here's the high flyer, JC Adams. And this may be her last match as a referee here.
Oh my God.
Once this footage comes out.
Go on, replace her. What are you gonna get? Another one of those idiots in a zebra outfit out there that pretty much ruins every match with their nonsense?
All right, should be something now. We got the two lock up and Draco takes the arm, grabs the side headlock on JC Adams. As JC fires back, shoots off Draco.
Whoa!
And nice little somersault flip from JC Adams.
These two show-offs. Flashy show-offs, both of them.
Right now it's JC Adams taking a headlock, and Draco shoots off JC. Down goes Draco from the shoulder block, but right back up to his feet. Nice show of athleticism from Draco.
Yeah, he'll athletically stab you in the back. Oh!
Draco tried to go for the hip toss. JC on his feet, fast action here. And Draco hits the head scissor. And he just said, JC, you're dead. JC Adams with Draco up on that top turnbuckle now. Draco,
what's this?
handful of hair, is clubbing away.
That was
down
a
on
hard
JC.
strike. Whoa!
Wait a minute. He's up on JC Adams' shoulders. What's it gonna be?
Whoa!
A reverse
Whoa! Who's in?
Frankensteiner, and now the Sultan is out here.
What is
Prince
going on?
Malik coming up behind
Yes!
him. And the Sultan,
Yes!
well, this thing is a no contest.
This is awesome.
Well, now Prince Malik And the Sultan had asked for an apology from
And they didn't
JC
get it.
Adams and RT3 for interrupting them last week here on SOM Live. And
Oh,
here
wait a
comes
minute.
big RT3. Here he comes.
Whoa! Wait a minute, RT3 with the chair, clearing the ring out. Come on, man. This guy ruins everything great that happens at the School of Morton.
So how does it feel? You know, now we talk about the consequences. You know, we should have put you guys out when we had the chance. Now, we will.
Ooh, that is a promise.
You better bring more than a chair next time.
I don't think you're going to get an apology from them.
Apologies don't matter at this point anyway, Corky. It doesn't matter.
They weren't smart enough to take the easy way out. Now it looks like RT3 and JC Adams are going to have to fight for this.
Well, folks, we'll try to clear out the ring here.
Y'all wanted an apology from JC and myself for ruining y'all's little celebration last week?
You want to call it that celebration of your
Okay.
of our victory and your loss.
I'm going to apologize, but not for that. No. I should have put you and your little buddy that's for some reason isn't here once again out of the business last week when me and JC had the chance right here in front of this entire crowd. So if y'all want to do something, get in the ring right now.
Wow. It looks like they got RT3 a little fired up.
Face them in the ring.
Look at they're waiting for the opportunity. What he said.
Well, folks, that's all for the show today. We've been informed we don't have time to play the hidden camera footage.
Would you look at that? Would you look at that, Corky?
But if you will, go to Facebook and YouTube. The video will be posted online. The footage was shot by fans. Check it out for yourself, folks. Be sure to give us a like and
I'm not afraid of
subscribe
the social
on
media
Facebook
mob.
and YouTube. Join
I'm
us
not.
July 6th at the Mount Carmel Block Party, and join us back here next week for more SOM Live.